Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna be.
Hi guys, welcome back to Locked In with Ty, your ultimate destination for all things locks, lifestyle, and wellness, and a bunch of other things because I cannot pick a niche. But anyways, today I am showing you some scarf styles that you can do on your locks because who doesn't love a good scarf?
Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.